Welcome to the beautiful Stamford Bridge.
This is the moment that he and that everybody inside Stamford Bridge has been waiting for. The roof is about to come off.
What I most enjoyed was press room.
The reason I suppose the decision was not minutes and seconds but pretty quick was because it was this club, a club that I don't probably have to sit here all afternoon and tell you how much I feel about it, but I do.
See the locker rooms and how the guys kind of get ready, prepared. That's a little more personal, a little more unique, and something I enjoy personally. So.
It was good seeing, where the action actually happens, And I really enjoyed using the gadget because it was actually interactive. It actually, would explain as we were going around. So it is quite useful.